What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Miles Jones coming at y'all with another video, bro. I got a special video for y'all today. I think this is like one of my first DIY videos, but in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to crop your tees. For example, this is what a cropped tee looks like. And specifically today, I'm gonna be cropping 2 of my long sleeve tees. I haven't really cropped any of my short sleeve tees yet, but I'm gonna do that next. All of my hoodies are cropped, except for like my Hunter's Lodge hoodies. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't really cropped these. I cropped the sample one, but not the one I got made by the manufacturer. But I'll probably end up cropping this one and the black one in a little bit. But as you can see, you know what I'm saying, crop. See how you cut it and it's rolled up at the bottom. And I actually bought this pre-crop because I shop on Depop a lot. I like to thrift and I like secondhand stuff. You get stuff for way less expensive. You don't gotta pay for certain prices that you don't want to pay, like these landscape ass prices. Yeah, I bought this pre-crop. I like how it fits, but the sleeves are just too short, so I'm probably going to end up giving it away. I might try and wear it. I'm about to show y'all the tees I'm going to crop, and then I'm going to crop the tees and show y'all a before and after look of how they look. So yeah. So the first tee I'll be cropping in this video is this Glow Gang Church of Glory t-shirt. You know what I'm saying? If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this tee. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Miles Jones, MYLEZJONEZ. And I'm about to show y'all what it looks like on me, and then I'm going to show y'all how it looks cropped. I'm going to crop it and then show y'all how it looks cropped. So boom, this is how the t-shirt looks on me. I don't really have a lot of room in here, and you might be asking yourself, why am I recording myself in the bathroom, bruh? The lighting is good. The sound quality kind of helps because this is one of the small bathrooms in my house, so like it just bounces off. Like I said, the lighting looks good, but I don't know, I feel like you can get the picture though. Like this is how it looks pre-crop. Before I crop the other tee, I want to show y'all this one. This is a Harley Davidson's Legendary. It's like a Chester Nevada tee. I got this off of Depop as well. You know what I'm saying? The sleeves are kind of tight, but I mean, it works. I feel like once I crop this, it might fit a little bit better. It's not gonna help the sleeves fit better, but I feel like the shirt is gonna fit better in general because you can't tell, bro. My torso ends right here. My legs start up here. So I got all this extra tee just hanging down here. Now, granted, I'm not gonna be cutting off that much. I'm really just gonna be cutting off like the bottom flap. But y'all see once I do it. But as you can see, bro, this is how it fits. And we're about to get into cropping the tee. So the most effective tool that you'll need to crop your tee is some shears. You can use scissors too. I've used scissors in the past, but getting you some clothing shears really help because of how sharp they are and how long the blades are. And they're actually heavier, so it just makes it easier to cut. Like if you just hear this, like that just sounds sharp as hell. And as you can see, I got a lot of fabric on here simply because I've cropped all of my hoodies, but yeah, that's all you need. Some shears or shears or a pair of scissors. And of course you need, you know, the tee that you want to crop. So everybody get into that. So now I'm going to show y'all how to crop the tee. 1 second. All right, so right now I'm in my bedroom because I don't have a tripod. So I basically just had to like just place my phone on like the edge of my dresser. But I'm basically going to be cutting off right here where that stitching is. And yeah, so I'm gonna give y'all a time-lapse version of what it looks like, and I'm gonna put it on, show y'all the after. And just like that, the tee is cropped. You can't tell me this don't look better, bro. You can't tell me this don't look better. And this is what I cut off right here. Little rib, that is that. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I kind of did some collateral damage. I kind of like poked the hole in the shirt with the shears. So I'm about to sew this back up. Or I might just cut it out. Now I'm gonna sew it back up because it'll probably get bigger if I wash it. But I was gonna sew it up and take care of that. Now I'm about to show y'all the Harley Davidson tee. Like I said, bro, come on, bro. And like, it's cool, like, you know what I'm saying? It's rolled up. Like, I think it looks like I don't know. I just like how it looks. It just makes me feel better knowing that I feel like I look better in my clothes. So I'm about to show you the other tee. Daddy, where you going? Daddy? can't tell me it don't fit better. Come on, man. And when I wash it, the bottom's just gonna roll up a little bit more. It's gonna be real nice, like, you feel me? So these are my short or long sleeve shirts that I decided to crop. I have more I want to crop, and then I also want to crop my short sleeve shirts as well. And let me know if y'all, when y'all crop your hoodies and tees, if y'all keep these. I like fold them up and put them in a rubber band. I don't know why, but I just feel like it just makes me feel kind of like artsy, if you want to say. But yeah, that's the end of the video, man. I appreciate y'all. Man, start cropping y'all tees, bro. Start cropping y'all tees, bro. You can't tell me this don't look hard. Oh, let me get my thumbnail right quick. Face ass. Face ass. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate all the love and support. We're gonna run it up. Roll to 10K, not 5K like I said in the other video. Roll to 10K.